In this guide, I'm going to show you how to pre-order GTA 6 on Walmart for Xbox Series X or S tutorial. This is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, go to Walmart and search for GTA 6 or Grand Theft Auto 6, and it's going to pop up with two different options. You're going to see GTA 6 for PlayStation, GTA 6 for Xbox. Go ahead and choose Xbox, and then from here you can check to see which edition is available as well. Choose whatever edition you want. In this case, let's just say we're sticking with this standard edition right here, which is $80. You simply have to hit pre-order just like so. And then once you do pre-order, you're going to receive, well, closer to when the game releases, it looks like it's delivering on the 12th of November, a code that you simply just have to go ahead and put in, where you can then go ahead and pre-download it after you put in that code on the Microsoft Store, and then it's going to be playable when, of course, the game does release. But the process really is as simple as that. Simply just go and place the order, wait for it to arrive, and then you can go ahead and put it in just like so. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.